This is the LincPlus Creator T4, an affordable 11-inch tablet with a 2K display, and it comes with a case and a stylus. It's running Android 13, rocking a MediaTek G99 CPU, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage with an 8100 mAh battery, and you get all of this for $219. But if you pick it up right now, you can get it at a discounted price, and the link will be below in the description. The tablet has a very simple yet elegant design. This has a metal unibody and it weighs in at 490 grams, which is roughly 1 pound. And this is a fairly thin tablet. Measuring at just 7mm, it won't take up much room in your bag. The great thing is that the storage is expandable up to 1TB, which is awesome. The slot is located on the right side and it takes a microSD card. The power button and volume rocker feel very tactile and not cheap at all. On this bottom side, there are some attachment points for hooking up a keyboard, and I believe they will be releasing this soon. And there are 4 speakers in this tablet, and this charges via USB-C, which is nice to see on here. This tablet supports up to 20 watts fast charging, allowing it to fully charge in about 2 hours. Given its large battery, this charging time is quite reasonable. On the back, you'll find a single 13MP camera that protrudes slightly. The front sports slim bezels and an 8MP camera, which delivers surprisingly good quality for video calls in well-lit conditions. For the best results, ensure you have adequate lighting during your calls, as the quality can diminish in low-light environments. So the connectivity on this tablet has been solid. This has dual band Wi-Fi, so you can take advantage of the 5G fast connectivity or reliable 2.4G connection. This also has Bluetooth 5.2 that gives you a strong and reliable connection to your Bluetooth headphones, mouse, or keyboard. The display on here looks awesome. The 11-inch display has a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels with a 224 dpi, and it has an IPS display, so you get really good viewing angles. The colors are also very vibrant, making it enjoyable to watch videos on here. The display is not incredibly bright at just 400 nits of brightness. It's more than adequate for indoor use, but when you take this outdoors on a sunny day, you will have a hard time seeing what's on the screen, especially if you're trying to watch a movie that has very dark scenes. Before we move on, let's take a moment to thank today's sponsor. Ekster is known for redefining the smart wallet, and they just unveiled the latest innovation, the Finder card, designed to seamlessly integrate with iPhones. This tracking card has a thickness of about 2 credit cards, so will fit perfectly in any wallet, and it's easy to slip into small pockets. The Finder card is also rechargeable, and a single charge will last up to 6 months. Its most standout features are the loud 95dB ringer and its impressive range. If you happen to misplace your Finder card, don't worry. With a simple ring from your phone, it will shine back from up to 300 feet away, making locating it a breeze, and you can also pinpoint its exact location on the map. You can also share its location with your trusted circle for extra peace of mind and security. Plus, with the instant out-of-range notifications, you'll never accidentally leave it behind. And don't worry about spills or splashes. The Finder card has an IPX5 water resistant rating, ensuring durability wherever you go. You can pick this up right now with an additional 5% discount on top of any discounts that they have. The link and discount code will be in the description. Alright, so let's get back to the video. So one of the standout features is the value for the money, as the package includes both a case and a stylus. The case has a nice rubbery feel and it only covers the back. It attaches to the back of the tablet magnetically, and it has a slot to hold the stylus. The bottom section opens up so you can use it as a kickstand, and you can adjust it at various angles for that perfect viewing experience. Moving on to the stylus. It features a sleek aluminum build. The end cap includes a clip, allowing you to conveniently attach it to your shirt while also preventing it from rolling away on flat surfaces. The stylus is powered by a single AAA battery, but there is no mention on how long that battery life will last. The stylus is equipped with 2 buttons on the side that can perform various functions depending on the app that you're using, such as undoing actions, deleting content, and selecting items. The pen tip offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing you to create darker lines as you apply more pressure on the stylus, making it feel more like a real pencil. This also supports the tilt functionality, so it makes shading feel more natural. The pen also has very low latency, which means that when you write or draw, the ink appears on your digital paper almost instantly. All of this makes the stylus a more versatile tool for both note-taking and drawing. So far, this tablet has been highly responsive and multitasking has been smooth and pleasant. I haven't encountered any major issues, indicating that this is well optimized. However, I have experienced some minor issues with the stylus using the OneNote app, where it occasionally fails to register inputs. I often have to rewrite again because all my letters that I wrote didn't get registered. In contrast, the stylus has been working flawlessly in the Sketchbook app and with the Google Keep app. So these are the 3 drawing and note-taking apps that I use most frequently. If you have a favorite app that you'd like me to test, please let me know in the comment section. Although this tablet is not advertised as being a gaming tablet, this tablet is also good for gaming. Games like Asphalt and PUBG have been running well on here. The tablet has gotten slightly warm after 1 hour playing PUBG, but it's nothing too concerning. The battery life on this has been awesome. I have been getting roughly 1 to 2 days of battery life on medium to heavy usage, and with light usage, this lasts me up to 4 days, so the standby is really good. I have been getting roughly 9 hours of screen on time with the brightness set to 80% on a single charge. So the speakers on the tablet are not very loud, but the quality is okay. I have been keeping the volume at around 85% to be able to clearly hear the movies and videos. The volume loudness is okay when there isn't much noises going around you. And here's a quick audio sample so you can get an idea of what it sounds like. Now, another area where this falls a little short is in the picture and video quality. The rear 13 megapixel camera produces decent photos, but it's nothing to brag about. This is good enough for taking quick pictures of your homework or scanning them to share. I wouldn't necessarily use it for posting on social media as the quality is not that great, especially when you take pictures in areas that are not very well lit. But I don't think this will be a big issue for many of you because I don't think many of you will be buying this tablet to take pictures with. But who knows, maybe I'm wrong, and if that's the case, let me know in the comment section. So this tablet is ideal for anyone seeking an affordable device that excels both in entertainment and productivity. Whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or jotting down notes in the classroom, this tablet covers all your needs without breaking the bank. Plus, the large battery ensures that it will last through an entire day of classes or work, eliminating the need for constant recharging. The tablet has been exceptionally responsive, making it a pleasure to use for various tasks, so I would highly recommend considering this as an option. So this will be linked in the description in case you're interested in checking it out. Alright, so that does it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related content, and I will talk to you on the next one.